This course uses Adobe Photoshop, so of course you'll be able to follow it more easily if you have a little knowledge of that program. However, I'll be keeping the course very straightforward, so if this is your first time to use Photoshop or you're a little bit rusty, you should be able to follow along. If at any point you get lost, there are many excellent Photoshop Essential courses in the library, and they will help you. So if you've ever wanted to animate your existing artwork, then this course should be of interest. One quick note before we start, I'll be using the latest version of Photoshop at the time of recording, that's CC version 21. However, the animation features that I'll be talking about are much the same in many previous versions, so you should be able to follow along if you're using an old version. I've used Photoshop CS 5.1 that also has the same animation timeline. It's very similar to this. There's some small differences, but it's close enough. The focus won't be so much on drawing techniques or design, more so on how to draw the layers and structure them. I have an existing course in the library called Animation Foundations, Drawing Cartoon Characters, and I recommend that if you want a course that teaches you how to actually do the drawings and the designs.